Welcome back to the channel, it's Carla, and today we're diving into the world of style because, let's face it, your vibe attracts your tribe. If you're ready to elevate your school style game, you're in the right place. You know, finding your signature style is like discovering a piece of yourself. It's a journey, and I'm here to be your style guide. First things first, let's talk about self-discovery. Embrace who you are. Your style should be an extension of your personality. What colors make you feel alive? What pieces make you feel confident? Dive into your own fashion psyche. Now let's talk about building a capsule wardrobe. It's like having a curated collection of pieces that perfectly define you. Trust me, it makes getting ready for school a breeze. Declutter your closet, keep the essentials, and let go of what no longer serves you. A well-organized wardrobe is the first step to a stress-free morning routine. Let's jump into some daily fashion tips that will make heads turn in the hallway. Stand tall, wear what makes you feel unstoppable. Your confidence is your best accessory. Don't be afraid to mix and match different pieces. Experimenting is the best way to discover your unique style. Accessories are the exclamation point of an outfit. A statement necklace, a cool watch, or funky socks can take your look to the next level. Remember, it's not about wearing the trendiest clothes. It's about wearing what makes you feel authentically you. Now, let me share some outfit suggestions that cater to different moods and vibes. Pair your favorite oversized sweater with leggings and sneakers for a comfy yet stylish look. Elevate your style with a classic white shirt, high-waisted jeans, and ankle boots. It's simple, chic, and timeless. Throw on a varsity jacket over a graphic tee, leggings, and your favorite sneakers for an effortlessly cool, sporty vibe. Remember, your style is a canvas to express yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment, embrace the journey, and most importantly, have fun with fashion. Thank you for joining me on this style adventure. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future style inspiration. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay unique, and keep shining your beautiful light. This is Carla signing off.